Hey gang, it's Dan here, back to show you the dumb thing I did yesterday. I had a router like this, and you know, a router's made for cutting a slot, and I needed to cut these 3 slots in this piece of PVC. So I had it all mounted up, and I had my hand braced against the edge of this, you know, on both sides, and when it started coming in like this, and just as it started to dig, it pulled really hard, boom, and that's how I got 5 stitches. So don't be as dumb as me. Do this right. Get yourself a CNC machine, or don't use the tool in an inappropriate way like this. Inappropriate. And we're going to go back to cutting this the old way, which was to drill a circular hole at both ends here, and then use a Dremel tool to cut this slot while this bar is being held in our bench vise right here. There's our cutter right there. And of course, we're going to use all the masks in there. Yes, safety first, safety third, right after beer and chainsaws. And that's all I got for you. Later.